This is day is gone, but I will know why is going to get some beach day holiday is gone. Now I just need to get something yet. Boy, you know that means you have to scared. Now you have to be crazy. Ha 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 ha. You know that means you have to scare me. I'm gonna show you with a rope. No. Yes. You know that means you have to scare me. I'm gonna show you with a rope. Feel much better. I'm gonna sleep. No. It's dinner time. Get back here. Yay, my food is ready. Why? Yum yum, yummy food. Oh my gosh. There. Why did you do it here? Why did you not go to eat? Oh my gosh, he is dying to get. Who did this to you? Oh my gosh, who did this to you? There. Don't be worried. Ready the hatcher get so grounded. Here, whoa. Get out to my house back right now. Why? The end. The part 3 to next episode.